Hey everyone, John here. Do a little unboxing video here. I was watching Flying Monkey Studios a couple days ago, and Tom had received his Kickstarter backed Iron Maiden box set, and I'm thinking to myself, wait a second, I backed that over a year ago. And same thing with him. He backed it over a year ago. He had a few choice words about the company, this CMON Minis or CMON Studios, whoever it is. It's right there. CMON. Guillotine Logistics. That's interesting. But yeah, he backed it over a year ago, just like I did. I had thought maybe something went wrong and never heard anything about it, but came back from going to the movies today, and this was sitting on my front porch, so saw a good movie, watched Oppenheimer, and had a nice surprise when I came home and saw this. I was like, well, I generally get like at least 1 or 2 deliveries every 2 weeks or so, just because of the stuff I get for the channel. And I was like, I'm not expecting anything. So, pop this bad boy open. I didn't go for the full set. Or maybe I did. Ooh. Get this out here. That's pack number 2. It's got the Peace of Mind Eddie, Killers, and then Power Slave. Let's take a look at. Yeah, I want to turn that around because my address is. Blur that out in post. Nice. So it's Asylum Eddie, Mummy Eddie, Shaman Eddie, Bounty Hunter Eddie. I'm going too fast here. I'm looking at the box, not my viewfinder. Bassist Eddie. It's from the Live After. No, that's not Live After Death. Oh geez, I can't. There's so much Iron Maiden. And Killer Eddie. Nice. Okay, and it comes with 6 minis, 48 cards, 1 dashboard, 1 rules leaflet. And I guess this is for Zombicide. Never played it before, but there's a whole Zombicide group there. Might have to look into that now. And then the next one. That looks sweet. Huge Iron Maiden fan. Been listening to them since Peace of Mind came out. Undead Eddie. Samurai Eddie. That should be really fun to paint up. Pharaoh Eddie. Reaper Eddie. Trooper Eddie. Another fun one. And Cyborg Eddie. Oh. And this one, 6 minis, 58 cards, 1 rules leaflet. These boxes are almost as nice as the figures. Love it, love it, love it. And then this is the one I really wanted. The Wicker Man and Fear of the Dark. I am a lifelong fan of the original The Wicker Man, so I cannot wait to paint him up. That might be a Halloween build. Actually, this box might be the Halloween build. Oh, that looks nice. Wicker Eddie, Fear Eddie, 2 minis, 27 cards, 1 rules leaflet. Okay. All right, and then you get a bonus mini as well. And this one is, look at that, original Eddie. Oh, that's sweet. So just wanted to do a little quick unboxing. And then yeah, we'll be painting these up. I'll probably do, like I said, I'll probably do this box in October for Halloween. I've also got a collaboration. Oh, I'm getting the reflection from my light there. Collaboration with Danny from Easy 8 Online Painting Club. We're going to do something for Orktober. Right now, I still have to do a call with him and iron out the details. But it looks like we're going to be doing Ghazghkull Thraka from Warhammer 40k. Big orc war boss. So that's something. I have a lot of stuff to do in October and Orktober. So yeah, thank you for joining me with the unboxing here. I don't want to throw this box away now since it says Iron Maiden on it. But yeah, got a couple videos coming up here real soon. I'm actually getting ready to do the final reveal on one. I'm going to be filming that in the next 20 minutes after I get this stuff put back in the box and put away. Process that. We'll finish the editing, process it, get it published. We are up to, as of today, what's today, the 14th of August 23, we are up to 543 subscribers. And I thank all of you who are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please consider it. We're having so much fun with this, and I'm starting to make a lot of friends with some smaller channels. The rest of the year, I want to do some showcases on smaller channels. I got obviously Easy 8 Online Painting Club, Country Fried Minis, Flying Monkey Studios, just to name a few there. But I want to do a video where I actually spotlight a bunch of smaller channels, smaller meaning less than 1,000 subscribers, so we can get the word out there and just let everyone know it's not all about the big boys. We can do some stuff too. So, but yes, very excited about this. And I think I'm going to end this with a blurred zoom in. So, all right, everyone, you take care. We'll see you in the next one. Hey, if you liked the video, check out the playlist on the left and hit that subscribe button on the right. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.